Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you in journey of honor, journey of pride, and journey of celebration with brand icon in association with wedding icon presents International Fame Award 2024 India. The most important part of any award show is the award trophy. Most elegant trophy of the night is designed by wedding icon. It's time to celebrate the journey of your success. Fully packed up with surprises, fun, music and achievements. The journey of International Fame Awards India. With celebrity chief guest, most beautiful celebrity of world, none other than Miss Universe, Miss Sushmita Sen. Get ready to witness International Fame Award. Ladies and gentlemen, the most important part of any award show is the award stage. This is the place which makes you feel special, which makes you feel proud, and which makes you feel tall, among others. So just have a look. What a beautiful stage of this evening. What a creation. A lot of hard work has gone behind this. So just wait and watch for those lucky ones who will get chance to be on it.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are ready to welcome Sushmita Sen. The one and only, the beautiful, the gorgeous, the stunning. The beauty is right up in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. And I request everybody to stand up and welcome none other than Bollywood celebrity, Miss Universe, and the heart of millions, Sushmita Sen.
मुंह तो बंद करो अंकल।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. क्या बात है? I was not expecting so many of you to be here. And to the organizers, Miss Singh, Mr. Sharma, आप कितने style से welcome करते हैं अपने guest को. And all of you people, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much कि आपने मुझे बुलाया. And I get to do the honors for you and give you the awards tonight.
Then the next International Fame Award for the best non-surgical hair solution provider in Delhi NCR. And the award goes to Patch Professors. May I please invite Ashish Batra on stage.